Always start your day with a vision of what's ahead. To make things happen, think the unthinkable. To make room for inspiration, believe the unbelievable. To tread the roads to success, reach the unreachable. Because sometimes something isn't always what it seems. It's better when what you want is simply like no other. You create a special universe for it. This is my city. This is my village. This is my home, where I can live in luxury. And yet be in harmony with nature. Where life isn't what I thought it would be. It's better. This is my charging station, my home theater system, my treadmill. This is my amusement park, my social network. Here, each day isn't like the rest. It's about creating your own universe by imagining the impossible. When you see the possibilities, anything can happen. And what was inconceivable becomes your reality. This is where I've come to expect the unexpected and revel in it. Rejoice in it. When you have a vision, things can happen. And success becomes reachable. Look beyond the here and now and live to believe that there is something more that you can expect. Always start your day with a vision of what's ahead. This is Botanica Nature Residences, where life is a mystery, waiting to be experienced and discovered. This is Botanica. Expect the unexpected.